Gates open, they're up and racing. Cool reception at the center, the outside. Devil Racing, then comes Amazing Up. Queen, Bilateral, followed by Executive Order. Kid Dugo comes next, then comes Gray Magic, My Lucky One, while Reporter is the early trailer. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Leica and Raven in front by about a length and a half. Cool Reception is in second, down in third, Amazing Act. Devil Racing is spreading out, moving a party outside is Queen together with Kid Dugo. Executive Order followed by Gray Magic, then comes My Lucky One, and a long way back to Reporter. Heading towards the last 800, Leica and Raven this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second still is Cool Reception. Queen moving up to take third, Amazing Act moving up, Kid Dugo, then comes Devil Racing, Executive Order, and Gray Magic as they pass the last 600. Leica and Raven still leading the field. Cool Reception moving up to grab the lead. Queen now taking the second spot. Leica and Raven drops back in third. Kid Dugo closing in, Executive Order and Gray Magic, Devil Rising as they turn for home. Cool Reception, the favorite this time by about 3 lengths, followed by Queen. Devil Rising moving up viral to take third. Then comes Leica and Raven, Executive Order. With the last 100 meters more to run, it happens to be the favorite, Cool Reception, by about 8 lengths over Queen. Then comes Devil Rising, Executive Order, and My Lucky One for your Pentapecta.
Nakita po natin Bayan Carista early on dun sa may 3/4 mile post. Segundo pwesto lang si Cool Reception sa kay ni Val Dilema. Medyo pinabayaan lang ni Cool Reception yung bumanderang numero 9, Leica and Raven. Pagdating doon sa 3/8 mile post, yun na, ginalawan na ni Val. Nakita niya medyo palakad na yung 9. Nung kinuha niya yung unahan, never look back. Crossing the wire first, siguro mga 7-8 lengths pa. Anyway, sa ating winner take all, ang matitira po dyan, 874 pesos. Pick 6 natin, ang matitira po dyan, 5,758 pesos. Sa ating pick 4, mawag po tayo ng 563,000 plus. Ang matitira po dyan, 316,102. Okay, winning time natin 1 minute 46 seconds para sa distansya 1,600 meters with quarter times of 27, 24 and a half, 26, and coming home at 28 and a half. Magbabalik kami para sa official dividend.